I'm going to show you what's under this tarp. In my last video, I talked about sketching my next show, which is called Eureka Day. And now in this video, I'm actually going to go into my shed, pull out a lot of the set pieces that I need for the show. I started building inside my house recently, a couple of bookcases. The set actually is a library in a private school, elementary, I guess, because it's for little kids, so I'm sure it's elementary school. And I need to just pull out the windows and the walls and some other pieces out of my storage unit, and so that's what's going to happen in this video. And I'm going to assemble some of the stuff outside in my yard. And lately it's been raining. I'm hoping that today in the morning I'm doing it's going to be dry for a little while. The grounds are wet, but I might put down some plastic, and then what I do pull out, I'm going to actually keep outside, but I'm going to keep it out under tarps and stuff. So because eventually you need to actually put it together, and then it will be assembled at the theater, and that won't be for another week or so. So stay tuned and watch me assemble what I need to do for Eureka Day. So here's my shed, and let's go on inside. A little wet. All right. And right now, as you can see, it is very filled up with so much stuff that I need to pull out stuff in order to get to what I need. I got so much stuff in here, it's going to be crazy. So I'm going to pull out stuff, and I'm going to put it on a time lapse actually, so it will take me pretty much a while to even get to where I need to in my shed. So let's go. I'll go back inside my shed. As you can see, a little bit less and a little more room in here. The door is back there, right there. As you can see, that's the door I'm going to use. I'm not going to pull it out right now because I don't need it at this moment. But here, and I've had a lot more. Probably I will be using some more of this stuff eventually. But here, as we go outside, back into my yard, and there is the stack of set pieces that most of all this I will be using for my next show, which is Eureka Day. And I pulled out pieces that I used from my last show that I will reassemble and make it work for this show. So there you have it. I'm going to put this all under tarps at the moment because I'm now hot and sweaty, and it didn't take me as long as I thought it would be to pull out what I needed. But again, I'm going to take all this and I'm going to bring it to my front yard on another day, especially when it's a lot drier, and start assembling the set. and painting what I need to paint early on, and then following that I will bring it all over to the theater, and again on that video you'll see me assembling it. So thanks for watching Set Design on a Budget. My name is Bonnie Sprung, and I hope you enjoyed me just organizing and getting things ready for my next show. And if you haven't had a chance to, please like this video or some of my other videos that I've done. I've done some on demos on wood graining, stonework, marble, concrete, and lining with a Finch lining brush. And so please check out those videos if you haven't had a chance to. Subscribe, and please share with anybody else who you think you would enjoy some of my videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.